How to use eye-motional processes. Welcome to the Eye-motional Processes website, and congratulations on making the marvellous choice of adding the 6 processes into your manifestation toolkit. Eye-motional processes consist of 6 easy-to-use processes designed to clear negative stories and emotions from your mindset so you may enhance your manifestation and law of attraction potential. Eye-motional processes shifts your low vibration emotional energy blocks in dynamic ways so you can tap back into your law of attraction potential. This video gives a tour to discover the why, what, how and when to apply eye-motional processes in your life. Why listen to one or more of the 6 processes? When it comes to the law of attraction and manifestation, spoken words, especially when emotionally charged, send chunks of negative vibrational charges into your co-creative energy field. Emotional energy charges and expressions to new and old events and experiences and past memories reverberate into your energy field as manifestation blocks. Rolling your eyes in displeasure at something you have just heard, seen or thought about indicates a negative emotional energy glitch going on inside your mindset and sends law of retraction magnets into your co-creative energy field. These are things that law of attraction proponents are often seeking to manage. Listening to the 6 processes diffuses the emotional energy attached to your stories so you may create subtle energy charges in your consciousness, arriving later as enhanced co-creative manifestation outcomes. Iron's law of retraction offenders out of your energy field and provides epiphanies about your default mindsets, and with such awareness they may no longer present as self-sabotaging truths. Instead, they may be transformed into a positive mindset which, in time, ripen as fruits in your co-creating energy field. What is on this website? Eye-motional processes consist of 6 kinesiology-based meditations called the 6 processes. This website provides access to all of the 6 processes. The Eye-motional Processes chart of emotions assists you in choosing which of the 6 processes to apply in your life at any given time. The 6 processes are arranged in order from bottom to top on the emotions chart as Process Red, Process Orange, Process Yellow, Process Green, Process Blue, and Process Indigo. You will notice each process is associated with a different thread of low vibration emotions. Essentially, these are the negative mindsets we habitually draw ourselves into on occasion, and sometimes more often than we would like to. Emotions like these create manifestation blocks and a law of retraction instead of the law of attraction that you are seeking. The higher areas of the emotion chart are violet and white in colour. You will notice the emotions associated with these sections of the chart are high vibration emotions. These emotions act as manifestation magnets in your energy field under the law of attraction and law of vibration premise. How to use this website. The Easy Steps for Processing Your Mindset explains the simple method for applying the 6 processes. Step 1. Mindset check-in. When you are experiencing negative emotions about events or experiences in your life, or when manifestation blocks are occurring for you, it is time to do a mindset check-in with the Eye-motional Processes chart of emotions to check in on your emotional energy mindset. Step 2. Select and listen to the matching process. Select which colour of the 6 processes best matches your current mindset check-in and the emotions you are feeling in that moment about your stories, the events or experiences you are having. If you are feeling angry, listen to Process Blue. If you are feeling no choice, listen to Process Red. You get the idea. Once selected, get yourself comfortable to listen to your chosen process. When listening to your chosen process, you will be guided to move your eyes in certain directions as you think about the stories, the events, the experiences, and the people involved that you are feeling negative emotions about. It is always best to move your eyes at a pace that is comfortable for you when listening to any of the 6 processes. Recheck your mindset. After listening to your chosen process, refer back to the Eye-motional Processes chart of emotions to check the improved shift in your mindset as you leap towards the violet and white sections on the Eye-motional Processes chart of emotions. When your emotions are floating in this realm, you are in the law of attraction vibration field. The higher up you go on the Eye-motional Processes chart of emotions, the closer you are to accessing that. When to listen to one or more of the 6 processes. When stories about your past, present and future experiences are coming out of your mouth combined with negative emotions about those stories. When you notice you are feeling negative emotions whilst thinking about situations and experiences from your past, present or future. When you observe you have just had a negative emotion about a situation which has presented itself in your life and you want to catch the emotional energy early before it settles into your co-creative field of attraction. When situations and experiences in your life has you rolling your eyes when you think about them, or when you roll your eyes about what you have just seen or heard someone else do or say. When you seek to dissolve the negative emotional mindset you keep automatically defaulting to when something stressful occurs in your life. When you simply feel energetically flat for no real reason and you realize it might be tied to a subconscious or unconscious negative emotion which is yet to be revealed in your conscious mind. When you are seeking to transmute your conscious, subconscious and unconscious programming so they no longer create roadblocks in your law of attraction energy field. When you consciously want to take a self-awareness growth journey over a chosen period of time by using the 6 processes to sift through negative emotions, memories and stories that you have observed floating in your mindset from your past, present and future. When your negative mindset keeps creating unwanted manifested experiences for you, then it is time to recall the law of attraction, like attracts like premise, and shift it into a better dimension. When you can't drop into your meditation zone because you are distracted with a busy mind full of stories from today's events, yesterday's experiences, or tomorrow's worries. When your vision boards, tapping methods, affirmations, and other concepts from your manifestation toolbox are needing a boost of renewed vibrational energy to make them expansive again, then it is time to dust off your super tools by choosing which of the 6 processes best matches the emotions you are feeling when you think about your manifestation blockages and start moving out your law of retraction infestations towards law of attraction potential. Post-process experiences. After listening to one or more of the 6 processes, you may experience a range of positive and profound shifts in many areas of your being and your life. A free printable download of the various shifts you may experience is available at the Your Space Members section on the Eye-motional Processes website. Common questions. Answers to common questions are available as a printable download at the Your Space Free Members section on the Eye-motional Processes website. For the curious-minded, to understand Eye-motional Processes a little deeper, there are 2 other brief videos which provide information relating to the basis of the 6 processes. To learn more, head to What is Kinesiology and Eye Movements and Kinesiology. May you enjoy the 6 processes and combine them as unique additions to your existing manifestation toolkit, and in doing so, you will soon realize beauty really is in the eye of the beholder.
Find freedom Experience joy, embrace love, create empowerment.